Hi there, my name is Mackenzie, and today I'm going to be giving you a demo of the Bench app using my company, Mackenzie's Magic Supplies LLC. Let's dive into the home screen, and we'll start out by looking at the top expenses. This shows the top expenses for a company each month. So for me, you can see its cost of service, followed by rent or lease expense, and then travel and transportation. Moving down, this is the profit and loss graph, which is interactive. So you can see at a given point in time what a company's revenue and expenses are, as well as their profit to track month over month. Then on the left-hand side here, you can also see that we've given our customers the ability to apply for a Bench checking account via our partner, Lending Club Bank. They can apply in-app here with us, and then once it's linked up, this gives their bookkeepers access to their online banking to see their recent transactions to then complete their books. Now let's move to the messaging tab. Here you can see this is where you will have primary communication with your team. It's as easy as typing out your message and pressing send. If you have any questions about your books, or if you want to converse with the tax advisory team, or the client research team, you have unlimited communication in your subscription. So post your questions here and we'll get back to you. You can see here that you also have the ability to book a call with your bookkeeping team at your convenience. So you can see that a calendar will appear and you can book some time to chat. Lastly, in the messaging section, there's a document upload ability. So let's say you recently signed a loan agreement and you wanted your bookkeeper to be aware of it to include on your balance sheet. You could simply attach it here and then it would be sent to your team. Now getting to the fun part, let's look at the accounting section for Mackenzie's Magic Supplies. This is where your financial reports will be. Firstly, your income statement. If you scroll down, you can see revenue, cost of sales, and operating expenses, and each of these categories are expandable to see the line items underneath. Then at the top, it shows a snapshot of your net profit and your gross profit for the month. Here in the balance sheet, it operates in a similar way. You can expand each section to see what the current assets, equity, and liability are for the company. Then you can also see that the income statement and balance sheet are also downloadable into Excel format for your convenience. Moving on to the document section, this is another way for you to upload any relevant documents. And this also acts as a library for any tax documents at year end that your bookkeepers have created for you. Now let's move to the settings part. Here is where you can adjust any personal information or business information. Then as well, you have access to control your connections. So you can link your bank and credit cards using our Plaid technology. Or you also do have the option to link to your specific bank statements, as well as merchant processors like Stripe or Square, for example, for your convenience of getting your reports sent privately to your bookkeeping team. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this Bench demo. Please feel free to head to bench.co for any additional information, and please do let us know if you have any other questions. Thanks and have a great day.